welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to enable focus mode in Teams meeting. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you're in your Teams meeting, then you can simply tap it on, and once you go there, you can simply have your focus mode activated once you have joined any meeting. So once you have joined any meeting, in your meeting session, you can simply find like share contents. Now you need to select the focus on content mode by simply using the shortcut Control plus Shift plus F. So if you're in any meeting, you can simply tap on Control plus Shift plus F on your keyboard so that you don't lose your focus. So this will simply have your content on the focus mode. But if you're using your iOS or Linux instead of your Windows keyboard, then you can simply tap on Command plus Shift plus F. So once you do this, you can have your content focused on your Teams meeting. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.